Hi! In this video, I will show you how to change brush color in Photopea. We have our blank template here. To start, click on the brush tool. And then, click here. You can resize the brush by dragging this one or by inputting a figure here. And then, to change color, click here and pick a color. Let's try another brush type. And then, let's change the color again. Let's change the color into blue. To change the brush color, just click here and pick a color. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!